The Pixel 10 series is still a while away, but there's already a lot of buzz surrounding what will make this next-gen device stand out from its predecessors. With rumors of a brand new Tensor G5 chip and improved biometric features, anticipation is building for what could be Google's most advanced Pixel yet. Now leaked Pixel 10 case. The design of the Pixel 10 series is still a topic of speculation, but it's expected that Google may continue to use the new flatter, more industrial look introduced with the Pixel 9 series. Google is likely to push the limits of display technology with the Pixel 10 series. While the 3000 nits brightness of the Pixel 9 is already impressive, the Pixel 10 might go even further. Google's Pixel phones have always been known for their stellar camera performance, especially in terms of computational photography. The Pixel 10 series will likely continue to focus on AI-driven improvements rather than hardware upgrades alone. New features could include improvements to night sight, astrophotography, and portrait mode. Pixel 10 series will follow this year's models and make its debut in August 2025. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.